Let's see what we decided to bring for lunch. Cheese spread with jalapenos. That's fucking disgusting. Let that warm up a bit. A fig bar. Look at that. Fig bar. Look at all that shit it has in it. Look at that. Now. Oh my gosh. Wheat snack bread. Yeah, everybody's favorite. Look at the ingredient list on that one. Wow. It looks like he's got fucking... a poppy seed pound cake. Fucking drug addict. Always going for the poppy seeds. Beef enchilada. Breaded chicken patty with rib meat and tomato sauce with pasta. Wow, look at that fucking meal. Breaded chicken breast patty with rib meat and tomato sauce with pasta. Somebody got bored. These